Hello everybody, this is the 3 Johto Starter. We're going to be doing a Pokemon Silver Nuzlocke, unfortunately. This will be a episoded series, because I do not know how to animate like generated animations and the others. Mother fudge, if I stutter one last time I'm going to end this video. So, yeah. Rules are if you lose if your Pokemon faints, he dies, you cannot use it anymore. Have to nickname your Pokemon to get an emotional bond with them, and you can only catch the first Pokemon per round. Let's spin. Please not Chikorita. Mother. Nicola! Be right back. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for its nickname. Yup. Let's start. I'm scared. Holy, I'm getting stressed out. Be right back. Oh, okay, let's begin. Be right back. I'm going to speed this up till the part where I pick my starter. Nope, this is not him. No. Here he is. So we thought thoroughly of his name. It's going to be Lava B-O-Y. Mama's boy. Damn. Get back to work, you monkey! Let's train up our starter. I'm a bit disappointed that Typhlosion didn't get the dog typing, because it would have been badass if he got that typing, bro. Like, I'm not over exaggerating, but at least respect Lava Boy. Wait, did Typhlosion get a Mega Evolution? And we don't need a town map, because I have played through Hard Gold and Silver, normal Silver and Hard Gold, both becoming champion, but I ultimately deleted the app we are playing on right now. I only re-downloaded it for this video specifically. So come on, dog, give me the egg. Pokedex. Okay, may I have some balls? What the did I just say, man? Oh, hell no, man. What the, man? What the hell? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, na, na, na. Mercu. Greenor. You and me, right now. We're having it out, brother. Come on. How the... Oh. Sheesh. Boom. Lava Boy gets healed. Oh no, get the hell away from me, dog. Lol. Imagine dropping your trainer card in front of me. We're going to name him Wait, let me ask ChatGPT. Oh yeah, I forgot. Dog, maybe that's why you've got brain damage and scorched over. Like, dog, why are you abusing your head damage like that, man? What the... Oh, hell no! Damn crit, please. No! We lost a ferret. This is ooh. Don't kill it. We're taking some screenshots. Get in the... You mother... Fudge. I swear. Mother... This is absolutely bull. Like, what the is mother? Calm down, meow. Calm down. Two encounters. We've missed. Two encounters. We're cooked. We are done for. We better lock in, or we are cooked. I don't need you to. Oh, we have an encounter in this thing. Like, oh. Boy, does it do so much damage? Okay, let's autosave. Be right back. Okay, for our first new teammate. Everybody, I would love for you guys to meet Herbert. Hee-haw, motherfucker. Time to get my revenge on this flippin' mother fudge who didn't stay in the ball. Billie Jean is not my lover. She's just a girl who says that I am the one. You don't even get an encounter here? Are you serious? Oh, what the fuck? Wait, I have a plan, guys. I have a plan. Let me cook. Oh, son of a mother. Kabuto, the Isopod Pokemon. Oh, what the flip am I doing, dog? No. Mother fudge! No, I'm not doing this again. I'm not doing this again. Damn. Wait, we get another encounter on Sprout Tower if I'm correct. So let's get our next encounter. And it's a Rattata. Alright, okay, fine. Be right back. Bang, it is. But before we challenge the entire Sprout Tower, let's just quickly go train our team up because we've got a level 4 Fang and a level 4 Purbat, but the level 9 Lava Boy. So that's what I mean when I say we've got to lock in. Or we are cooked, dog. Get back to work! Get back to work! Did I say you could stop working? Get back to work, monkey! Okay, Rattata is actually... Fang. Oh, Fang! Okay, you are a mad lad, dog. Holy! Okay, Fang, you've gotten my respect. That sugar on my tongue. Ooh. No. Ow. Mr. Sandman. Bring me a dream, and kicking the cutest that I've ever seen. Mr. Sandman. Bring me a dream, making the cutest that I've ever seen. Billie Jean is not my lover. She's just a girl who thinks that I have no fun. But the kid is not my son. Oh yeah, there is a level cap in this Nuzlocke. So, should I be worried or are we okay? Because I'm starting to stress. Oh, no. No. Stay away from me. Okay, we can finally kill another Bellsprout. And we get quick attack. Holy, I'm lucky. This can drop. Boom. Dog just reached level 9. Or level 8, I guess. Oh, no. No. Take this antidote. And keep fighting for what you believe in. Never give up. Never give... You son of a... Mother fudge! I almost got a heart attack. Now we will start training up Purbat. No, stay away. No. Okay, grass. Alright. Come on, Purbat. And there we but I absolutely I'm leaving this battle. No, dog. Like, for real, though. Oh, hell no. Mother... Oh, someday, oh, that motherfucker is gone. Do you see how weak no, you motherfudgy, stay away. Where the hell is Bellsprout when you need him? I could really use, a Bellsprout at the moment. Motherfudge, stop. Enough, you... Finally. You should not test me. It is 10 p.m. 10 p.m. man. Oh, yeah. And oh, you mother. You're finally level 10, my man. My man. Oh, damn. No. Why got to my first time? Okay. We're going to face Sprout Tower now. No, fudge. Mother, no. I'm already getting tired of seeing the Bellsprout. Can I find a Bulbasaur in this game? He's got the cutest pet on the internet. This one's so cute. Okay, this all relies on one master. Mother fudge. Oh, someday, all that brother gone. Who's got the cutest on the internet? This one. Quick attack. Quick attack. Then we find X defend. Okay, that was a really good item. Now we no. What the hell? Why aren't you hitting yourself in confusion? No! You guys stay the hell away from you mother. Okay, no. I'm leaving this dumb tower to go. No. Let me hear my Pokemon. If I'm correct, this guy. I collect Pokemon. Do you have a Bellsprout? For Alex. How lame. I'm tired. Tired of losing dogs. Unfortunately, we had to put down another dog due to cancer. Yup. Catch yourself in confusion, Bellsprout. Finally. Welcome to my paradise. Herbert, stop! This is the next level of disrespect. 10 Good job. Wait, what level does? Let's spam a few smoke screens. Leer, 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 leer. Tackle and tackle. Just one last hit. Woo! Okay, I respect Lava Boy for that, man. He survived on like 2 HP. Holy. But this next battle is going to be concerning. Why is this dumb jerk here? Finally, Furbat. Are you ready? Leaf Light. Supersonic. Are we serious? Are we serious? Mother fudge. Get nothing confusing, you motherfucker! Mother! How? You son of a... You almost made me scream the F-bomb. You saved yourself, dog. You son of a... Guys, may I please drop the F-bomb? Because I'm getting tired. So far we have 0 casualties, which I did not jinx myself. Maybe it's a spoiler, maybe it's not. Okay, we are going to train up here. Before actually fighting soldiers, let's get up random EVs to push our luck forward. Okay guys, we're going to hear our performance question after I'm killing one Belfast dog. No! Why didn't it hit itself in confusion? Fudge! Furbat! Against a gym trainer! Not even a flippin'! No! No! The first Pokemon I caught! Mother fudge! Please, just have mercy on me. I'm tired. I'm getting scared. Get back to work. Bang, no! Oh, I hate you. Go flip yourself, dog. Get out. A marine! Holy, we're lucky. Female marine. Okay, be right back. I'm not getting attached, to be honest. Well, it's a 27-minute long video. If y'all like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and of course hitting that subscribe button. It would really help me. And yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.